I see a lot of commercials on the TV from law firms stating, to contact them for your mesothelioma case. The only thing I can tell to people is to make sure that they have the experience, years of experience, with dealing with this kind of a case with mesothelioma before signing up with them. They were great attorneys. We could call them at any point. They would always return our phone calls if they couldn't talk to us right then and there, answer any questions we ever had for them. If they needed to speak with us, if they needed us to come down, very polite, and they took very well care of us, and I believe that they cared very much about our case. The attorney that was with us from the beginning of the case stayed with us to the end of the case. Anything that happened with the appeals, he always called us himself to explain what happened and what's going to happen. Levy Phillips in Konigsberg, in my opinion, is a great law firm. They, like I said, the one attorney who started our case, ended our case, was there anytime we needed him. That's a law firm you need. They won us a lot of money, and that's a law firm you need. Somebody who's going to stand up for you and not for what's easier for them.